I'm Marna, this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a happy mail from Croatia. This is from Alexandra Dolly World, and she and I are good friends. We text back and forth every day. She sends me photos of everything she makes for her dolls. Oh, wow. Oh, thank you. I got to show you something cute on this package. She writes, "Please don't steal. It's doll clothes." She is so cute. But we have had packages missing. My little dog's down here. I gotta wait till she moves. She actually sent me two things, I think, that never arrived. And so someone did steal it. Look at these little, what J Dolls UK calls bits and bobs. And we have some beautiful eyes. Beautiful eye chips. Purple and blue. I just did a doll and all her eyes were purple. Hello, my dear friend Marna and Darren from Dolls Rescue. I hope that you will like and enjoy the clothes in the pink color. What I crochet for you, hope you will like it. I will love it. You know I will. I know you love pink like me. I also sent more eye chips. Thank you. It's big for my Dolly. Hope you will use them, and if you need anything more, just tell. Thank you for your friendship, and thank you all. Thank you for all doll community. Love you. Sincerely yours, Alexandra Dolly World. Thank you, Alexandra. Look at these beautiful items. Oh, there's more. Look at this. She made me a bracelet. It says life, and it has a little tassel on it. Thank you, Alexandra. Thank you. Oh, here's more pom-poms. Cute. I'm going to need a bunny tail for the collab coming up, and Alexandra is joining us for that. Let's see. Oh, here's another. Kind of got jostled around on the way from Croatia to America. Oh my God, these are gorgeous. She crochets very well. I think she has taped this. Let me cut it so we can get inside. Oh, look at these little shorts. Oh, that is so cute. Bloomers. Little cape and a vest with a hood. Now, arms or legs? I'm betting legs. That is so cute. And a headband. Oh my goodness, I love that. And then to go with it, let's pull this out. Oh, wow.
Another bits and bobs.
Yeah, oh, and look here. More there. And here's a scarf and a headband. Oh, look, she wove a ribbon through this one. You know what? I would put that in the front. That's really cute. And a beautiful hat. Oh, my, that is nice. And the workmanship. Look at the workmanship. Absolutely gorgeous. Just beautiful. Beautiful. And yes, I love, love, love this color. My middle son says that pink should not be its own color. It should be just faded red. She made earrings to match and a dress. Oh, my. Little purse. Oh, God, that's cute. And a jacket to go over, a little vest to go over. Oh, that is gorgeous. I wish my cameraman had more time. He has been so busy with his real job. I will put this quickly on one of my dolls, but I won't be able to show it all today. Between his real job, everything else we do around here, and YouTube, he is a very, very busy man. Look at these little purses. Gosh, that's cute. And this is a little jacket. Oh, that's cute. And a little dress with matching earrings. She attached those so I wouldn't miss them. A little dress and headband and scarf. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. I'm going to put this on my doll. I wish I had a half hour. There are so many mix and match possibilities here. Alexandra, I cannot thank you enough. This is so much fun. I dressed as Shibajuku in this outfit just to show that it will fit the pull-ups and Shibajuku. And then I got my sweet little Spring here, who doesn't have her neck joint yet. She'll be getting one. Promises Spring. She is to remind you that spring is coming and do not get the winter blues. There's no cause for it. There's so much to do in our YouTube doll community. There are challenges and collabs and just chat with people. Everybody is so friendly and nice. Don't get the winter blues. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Thank you again, Alexandra. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.